Hi, my name is Bridget, and I'm here to support you with MED-EL one-on-ones. If you have ever had a question about your MED-EL device, you can meet with a hearing professional like myself to find the answer. Whether it's about connecting to AudioStream, organizing your patient kits, troubleshooting your processor, starting rehab, and everything else in between, we've got you covered. Plus, it's completely free for you to sign up. We have times available for both East and West Coast residents. We offer sessions for both English and Spanish-speaking recipients, and we have access to interpreting services with 43 different languages. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for your free MED-EL one-on-one appointment today. Hi, it's so good to see you.